Hi everyone, welcome back to part 2. We're going to be discussing about the myofibril, which is a more complex organelle composed of a bundle of myofilaments, and we're going to discuss about the Z disc, which is a protein that actin filaments are connected to. So the discs are connected to the actin, which is a thin filament, and the H zone is surrounding the M line where myosin filaments are, but actin filaments don't reach. So if you notice, this is the myosin, which is a thick filament. It reaches, but not the thin, which is actin right here. So this is the zone section crossover. Now the M line protein that myosin filaments are connected to, which are right here, the M line, and all of these are M lines. Those M lines, they pretty much they're myosin filaments, but then the actin doesn't reach. So again, if you see it close up, only the myosin reaches the M, but not the actin. A band is an area where myosin filaments are. This may include regions with overlapping actin filaments. So here's the A band. It's right here, which we're going to see when they contract why it says overlaps between actin and myosin. And the I band area is between thick filaments where only thin filaments are present. So here you go. The I band, if you notice, only actin are, myosin again is a thick, which doesn't reach within that, it's not present. Now, sarcomere starts from Z disc to C disc, and it's a functional contractile unit of a muscle fiber. Now, let's check what happens when a muscle contracts and relaxes. And here we see the difference. This is relaxed, a muscle is relaxed, and then when it contracts, this is the difference. Now, pretty much, and you can see it from here, the real muscles, how it changes. Pretty much is stating that a muscle cell shortens because sarcomere shortens, and the Z discs move closer together. So if you see the Z discs, and when it contracts, they move closer to each other. Also, actin, which is a thin and myosin filaments, don't change the length. When they contract, they just overlap. So if you notice right here, they're just overlapping with each other, which as in class we discussed how Anil said they walk, and they don't shrink, they just overlap with each other. Also the I band, you see the I band, they shorten because there is less exposed actin, and the H zone shortens or disappears because of actin overlapping the myosin. So again, here's the H zone, and here it is. So it also shortens, so it may disappear. And hopefully